Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create and add a product when it comes to your Odoo website. At first, make sure you come over to the editing tab, and then what you want to do is at the top left, you see something called e-commerce. You want to click on e-commerce and then go to products. And then as you can see, it says that you don't have any products. So I'll just uncheck that and then click on new. And let's say the new product that we want to create is a PC, right? So we just select on PC. So it is a good. So you also can choose if it's a good service combo, what sort is it? And then the sales price, let's say it's this much price. And then if you have any tax included and the cost, all these things, you can customize it according to yourself. After that, what you'll do is click on sales. And then as you can see, e-commerce shop is published. You're going to check on this one and then click on go to website. As you can see over our Odoo.com shop, you can see that this is the PC thing that has been added. And if we go back to the general information, we can even add any sort of photo. Let's say we add this photo and then we go to the website. And as you can see, this has been automatically updated. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.